Welcome to Dale Village, where we have a fabulous townhome with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1 deeded parking spot. I can't wait to show you around. I'm Martika Jenkins with Dwell360, and I'm so excited to show you this great townhome that's tucked away in a quiet community, but still very accessible to all the amenities that Roslindale has to offer. There's been numerous upgrades throughout the unit, and I can't wait to show you some of its great features. As you enter the unit, you have a great mudroom area, and on this level, there's an upgraded powder room, and the kitchen has been fully remodeled with a farmhouse sink, quartz countertops, all new appliances with gas cooking, and off of that is the laundry room with extra pantry storage. The kitchen has a nice pass-through that overlooks the spacious dining room, which flows very nicely into the living room. The unit does have central AC, and now let me show you upstairs. As we head upstairs, we pass this oversized landing that's perfect as a sitting area, additional office space, or I've even seen some people use it for their Peloton. Here on the second floor, there's 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom, and one of the things I love is the amount of closet space there is. And now we're in the primary suite on the 3rd floor, where there's a spacious bedroom, additional storage space, and a bathroom ensuite. Thank you for touring this property with me. I'm Martika Jenkins with Dwell360, and if you have any questions about this property or any others, please reach out.